Starting around 06 October 2023, Dogecoin basically is exchanging at $0.061 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.11% in most recent 60 minutes, kind of an opposition to mainstream thinking. Doge essentially has a truly complete market cap of $8,630,713,113, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $117,873,620 in a significant manner. This truly makes Dogecoin, Doge, for the most part positioning at 9 in the digital money market, or so they basically thought. On the off chance that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2023, what will Dogecoin for the most part be especially worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Is Dogecoin a very wise venture or in every practical sense, worth purchasing in 2023, which sort of is genuinely huge? Will Doge cost essentially outperform its untouched height, which in a real sense is very huge? These truly are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future, which generally is very huge. Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation 2023, as per the Dogecoin conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Doge cost explicitly is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.093, the normal fundamentally least value worth of Dogecoin, toward the finish of the essentially current year, ought to be $0.089 in a really significant manner. Besides, Doge can really arrive at a truly greatest value level of $0.098, which in a real sense is very critical. Dogecoin value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Dogecoin fundamentally is supposed to in every way that really matters be at around an all things considered least of $0.072. Certainly further appearance, how might Doge cost basically outperform its untouched high? Or so they in every practical sense thought. Dogecoin cost can generally arrive at a truly limit of $0.082, with the exceptionally normal cost of $0.080 in United States dollars in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin value expectation September 2023. The cost of Dogecoin in a real sense is especially anticipated to explicitly reach at a truly least worth of $0.080 in September 2023. The Doge cost could arrive at a kind of greatest worth of $0.085, with the fundamentally normal exchanging worth of $0.083 all through 2023, in an essentially enormous manner. Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation October 2023. The cost for Dogecoin in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.082 and $0.089, which sort of is very huge. While the exceptionally normal exchanging cost ought to essentially be around $0.086 in a very huge manner. Dogecoin value expectation November 2023. The cost of Dogecoin in every practical sense is in a real sense anticipated to sort of reach at the very least worth of $0.086 in November 2023. Exhibiting that Doge has a truly all-out market cap of $8,630,713,113, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $117,873,620, which truly is very critical. The Doge cost could in every way that really matters arrive at a sort of most extreme worth of $0.093, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $0.089 all through 2023, sort of an opposition to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin value expectation December 2023. The cost of Dogecoin is somewhat anticipated to in a real sense reach at a kind of least worth of $0.089 in December 2023. Which for the most part shows that assuming that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what explicitly is the Dogecoin cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Dogecoin essentially be genuinely worth in 2023? Or so they in a real sense thought. The Doge cost could especially arrive at an especially greatest worth of $0.098, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $0.093 all through 2023. Fundamentally further appearance how these generally are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future in a quite enormous manner. Dogecoin in every practical sense, past value examination in the genuinely beyond 24 hours, the crypto certainly has been especially diminished by 0.22% in its in every way that really matters, current worth, showing how these in a real sense are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future, or so they essentially thought. Assuming we in a real sense look at the genuinely current market cap of the Doge with yesterday's, you can explicitly see that the market cap is likewise down, showing the way that the Doge cost could for the most part arrive at a very greatest worth of $0.085, with the by and large normal exchanging worth of $0.083 all through 2023, which basically is very critical. Dogecoin really is confronting a kind of tough time jumping aboard with in every practical sense other crypto coins, or so they truly thought. The Doge basically is down to nearly 1.56% in the sort of most recent 7 days in a fundamentally significant manner. The coin truly is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for commonly past not very many days. The coin could basically have areas of strength for certainly at the same time. We don't explicitly feel that it would a productive resource in most certainly present moment. Showing how this especially makes Dogecoin, Doge, truly positioning at 9 in the cryptographic money market in a fundamentally significant manner. Inside the kind of most recent 1 month, the cost of Doge sort of diminished by 35.671%, disposing of an incredible especially normal amount of $0.034 from its fundamentally current worth, which truly is very critical. This unexpected down fundamentally implies that the coin sort of is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can be a genuinely decent really purchase a valuable open door for kind of fast venture, which especially is very critical. The 90 days cost change for the most part is near 29.28%, and the cost truly coursed from a sort of least essentially normal cost of $0.085 to greatest especially normal cost of $0.088 in the fundamentally beyond 90 days. Showing how the 90 days cost change generally is near 29.28%, and the cost circled from a by and large least lovely typical cost of $0.085 to genuinely normal cost of $0.088 in the truly beyond 90 days in a very huge manner. Dogecoin truly is somewhere near 14.55% with the sort of greatest in every practical sense. Normal cost of the coin generally was around $0.076, and the truly least fundamentally normal cost of basically was around $0.073 in kind of beyond 4 months, which essentially is very critical. Dogecoin Value Gauge 2023 Facts. What will sort of be Dogecoin genuinely worth in 2023 in a quite large manner? The Doge cost truly is gauged to explicitly arrive at a truly most extreme degree of $0.098, with exceptionally least cost of $0.089 toward the finish of 2023, which basically shows that this unexpected down in a real sense implies that the coin sort of is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can be an essentially decent explicitly purchase a potential open door for truly fast venture. Or so they really thought. Does Dogecoin